Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The way Indian aerospace industry is growing, especially with the involvement of private players, is going to place India as one of the major aerospace manufacturing hubs. The major private players in this aerospace segment are Tata and Reliance. Beside these two, there are many SMEs and MSMEs that are part of aerospace industries, be it Indian fighter jet programs such as Tejas MK1, 1A, Tejas MK2, AMCA, or foreign defense giants such as Boeing and Lockheed Martin. The MSMEs of India are steadily becoming the part of the ecosystem. Recently, a new name called Rossell Techsys came to limelight after it won a deal for manufacturing of certain components for Boeing's latest and most advanced fighter trainer T-7A Red Hawk. Indian Air Force is already using Boeing's trainer Hawk-Eye, but the T-7A Red Hawk is going to be much more advanced than the later. Since we are talking about the aerospace industry, and in today's discussion, we will discuss in detail about the major deals and manufacturing undertaken by private firms such as Tata, Reliance and Rossell Techsys, and how they are shaping the aerospace industry in India. Tata Advanced Systems Limited (TASL) has made significant progress in this segment. It has a joint venture with Sukhoi Aircraft Corporation to manufacture airframes of S-92 helicopters for civil and military markets. Another joint venture with American aerospace and defense major Lockheed Martin to manufacture aerostructures for the C-130 Hercules transport aircraft and its upgraded variants. It also manufactures wing for the F-16 fighter aircraft. TASL has also entered into an agreement to produce structures for the pilotless PC-12NG aircraft up to 2026. The Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited (TBAL), another joint venture between Tata and Boeing, which will be the sole manufacturer of airframes for AH-64 Apache helicopter that Boeing will market globally. Last but not the least, Tata Airbus deal for manufacturing of 40 out of 56 C295 aircraft, which will be manufactured in India by Tata Consortium within 10 years of signing of the contract. The last one is very important for TASL, as this will be the first full spectrum Make in India aerospace program in private sector involving development of a complete industrial ecosystem from manufacturing to assembly, test and qualification to delivery and maintenance over the complete life cycle of the aircraft. Back in October 27, 2017, the foundation stone for the Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited manufacturing facility was laid in Mihan, Nagpur. DRAL is a joint venture between Dassault Aviation and Anil Ambani's Reliance Group, with 49% of share for Dassault Aviation and 51% for Reliance Infrastructure. The facility will manufacture several components of the offset obligation connected to the purchase of 36 Rafale. DRAL will manufacture components of legacy Falcon 2000 series of civil jets manufactured by Dassault Aviation and will become part of its global supply chain. Dassault is also sourcing Rafale engine doors and pylons, and many more components will be manufactured here, which will include India in the global supply chain of Rafale orders. Dassault will be setting up maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO) at DRAL for Rafales, which will be operational by 2022 or early 2023. This facility will cater Indian Air Force and other international customers such as UAE and Indonesia in future. DARL can assemble 2 Rafales per month, that is 24 Rafales in each year, which is equal to the number of Rafale jets assembled at France. However, Dassault will take over 100% ownership before it can start the assembly of Rafales in DRAL. If Indian Air Force gives the order for second batches of Rafales, Dassault is also ready to assemble the entire batch at DRAL, which will involve at least 70% of TOT. Last but not the least, let's discuss about Rossell Techsys, which came in limelight after winning Boeing contract to manufacture wire harness for T-7A Red Hawk platform. The manufacturing will take place at Rossell's Center of Excellence set up in Bengaluru exclusively for Boeing. Rossell, as a part of the Indefinite Delivery, Indefinite Quantity IDIQ strategy agreement, will be manufacturing electrical wiring and interconnect system EWIS parts. The deliveries will continue through financial year 2032, covering a total of 84 unique parts. But this is not something new for Rossell. Its wiring and interconnect solution are part of almost all major fighter jets, including F-18, F-15, CH-47 Chinook, V-22 Osprey, Apache AH-64, F-16, C-130J, Super Hercules, and now T-7A, to name a few. This itself would have given you an idea that this MSME is world leader in what it's doing, that is wiring and interconnect solution for aircrafts and rotorcrafts. This is definitely right segue for development of aerospace industry in India, and with the present push of Make in India by government, we would witness many more such MSMEs emerging and making us proud. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.